Do it anyway. Prove them all wrong. People will doubt your dreams, they'll question your decisions, and tell you it can't be done. Don't let their opinions become your limits. Every successful entrepreneur has faced rejection. Every top producer has heard no. The difference is they kept going anyway. Your future isn't determined by what others believe about you. It's determined by the actions you take every single day. If you're ready to stop trading time for money and start building a business that creates long-term residual income while helping people save on something they already use every day, energy, then it's time to make your move. At TruPowur, you'll have the training, technology, suppliers, and support to build a business you can truly call your own. Do it anyway. Prove them all wrong. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.